Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without device help. So just to scan the QR codes, you could use the QR code scanner here from the control center. Just to add here scan QR code icon, you should open the settings, tap the control center and find here QR code scanner. Just click to this plus icon. Now we could see QR code scanner here in included controls. Just let's open the panel now. Tap to the scanner and now we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Also be sure that you're connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi, and now we could see that our device automatically just opened this link. So this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. That's how to scan QR codes with our iPhone 15 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.